Oh, are you excited on our wedding?
Yes!
But we have a problem.
What?
What would be our prenup concept?
What if Daddy will be the knight in shining armor and he'll save you? That would be amazing, right?
Really? Tulong!
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me.
That would be good. What else, Eve?
Why not Snow White? I will be the witch.
Who will be the Snow White?
You, definitely.
Someday my prince will come. Someday we'll meet again, and away to his
Snow White,
castle
taste my
we'll
apple.
go, to be happy forever, I know. Someday when spring is here, we'll find our love anew, and the birds will sing and wedding bells will ring. Someday when my dreams come true. Someday my prince will come. Someday my prince will come. Someday I'll find my love.
Wait, what about Gulliver's Travel? Since small miniatures and gigantic figurines are in demand nowadays, it would be perfect.
I will be the giant. I think Daddy should be the giant.
Yes, Daddy should be.
How about the real proposal of Daddy?
But with a twist. Aww, so sweet.
So what if our real love story?
Yes, like how you met. The way you started.
Remember when you met each other when you were still kids, but you did not really get to know each other well until that memorable Christmas?
Banana Q, lumpia.
Banana Q! Ano?
350.
Yan.
350, tapos ako.
Isang araw na di handa, naglaro ang tadhana. Nang ika'y makita, mata natin ay nagtugma. Puso kong may kulang, napuno na lang bigla. Bakit kaya pag-ibig na kaya?
Ayon sa Google, mahigit 7 billion daw ang population ng tao sa buong mundo. Sa dami ng taong yun, paano mo kaya malalaman kung sino sa kanila ang para sa'yo? Baka naman nakasalubong mo na siya, kaya lang di mo pinansin. Dumaan na pala sa harap mo pero yumuko ka para magsintas ng sapatos mo. Baka nasa likod mo na pala, pero di mo nakita kasi masaya ka sa paglalaro ng Pokemon Go. Sa dinami-dami ng tao, may mga swerte na nakahanap na, may naghahanap pa, may iba sumuko na. Pero isipin mo, 7 billion na tao, At sa ilang beses niyong pagkikita,
Ma, ba't ang ingay? Ano yun? Nagkakantahan ba dyan sa labas?
meron tamang panahon na pagtatagpuin kayo at hindi mo na palalampasin pa dahil nasa harap mo na. Tulad namin.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba?
I think that's the best concept. We're ready for the wedding.
We're so excited.
Thank you, kids. Thank you for helping Mommy. Good night now. Go
Night,
to sleep.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr.
Action!
Yan. Umakting ka. Kasi dalawang kamay ang hawak mo. Hindi ito. Kung tumawa, yun na nga yun eh.
Action!
You, definitely.
Sunod?
Ba't lumaki yung ilong mo? Okay.
Ano?
Sabi niya, ikaw din.
Sorry.
Dora! Dora! Dora!
Ano ba yan? Wala na. Huwag niyo akong patawanin.
Tumawa. Dahil ikaw naman. How about you? Ano? In that memorable Christmas Eve, remember? Okay.
Bye-bye.